Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your man Tony Porter with Wicked Artistry Candle Co., your candle making organization. Well, on this channel, we are going to talk about not only the art of making candles, the business side of making candles. We are going to also discuss marketing. Everything that you need to know about making candles is what we're going to get into. All right, but today is it's about the business, but it's also about a little something else, as you can see. So we are in the process right now of making our room and linen sprays. Okay, so just to let you know, if you don't want the candle, you can get the spray. All right, we're gonna talk about that, man. Y'all stay tuned, you need. All right, gang, we are back. So, majority of the people who get into candle making start out as a hobby. All right, I started out the same way. 15-minute conversation with the wife turned into a full-fledged business, and that full-fledged business is now turning into not what we want to call a side hustle, but possibly a plan of, just moving forward, walking away from the original 9 to 5. That's down the line. First, you have to do a lot of testing, a lot of product findings and things like that. So today, we are in the process of coming up with what it's looking to be, next to some of my candles, a real lucrative process. So what you're looking at here is some 10 millimeter, 10 ounce room sprays. Now, why do I choose 10 ounce? Listen, you go to the store, you buy the F company. Can't say their name because I don't want to get the copyrights or anything like that. You buy the F company and you get a fragrance that it's good, but and it helps, but it's not made with care. It's not made with the house, the house in mind, that the homeowner in mind. Here at Wicked Artistry, that's what we're trying to do. So what we have here is our tester. As you can see, we have Country Clothesline, which is an amazing scent from Nature's Garden. And I actually started out, so real quick, I started this about a week ago, 2 weeks ago. I had ordered these from Amazon. I think it was 8 in a pack for like maybe $4 or $5. Don't quote me on that. I'll look that up. But yeah, I ordered these from Amazon. So I made one particular batch, and when I made that batch, it was Country Clothesline, and I sprayed it. My wife was like, "Yeah, that's that scent." So long story short, my daughter came over. She took it, and now I have orders for a Country Clothesline. I have a ton of other scents that I'm going to be doing, but as of right now, Country Clothesline is going to be the signature scent for the room sprays. I think I want to have about 4 or 5 different fragrances for the room sprays. I'm not going to do many like I have candles, because candles, I have a ton of candles. The Country Clothesline does come in a candle. It does come in a wax melt. The Wicked Artistry website will be up and running. Finishing it up finally. I had to move from one to back to another, and so but like I said, these bottles are tremendous, and I love the way that when I first tested these out, when I first sprayed these, the way the mist came out, it kind of shot out and opened up, and this tester bottle was found in a place. This tester bottle here was found in a place, Gimme 5, which was basically a bargain place. So we do a lot of bargain shopping around here at Wicked Artistry Candle Co. The bulk of the expense for my business is the fragrance oils. I like strong scented fragrance oils in my candles. So we're gonna get this done. We're gonna get the next video that I shoot about these. I'm gonna show you how to basically make up a batch. We're gonna make 5 of these, all right? And calculations and everything. We're gonna walk through it. When we walk through it, you want to put these in your fragrance line, and even if you want to copy, reach out to me, all right? So you know what to do, man. If you like the content from her, you know what you do. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. If not, it is what it is. We still gonna keep rocking. You dig? But that's it for today's video, man. Short and sweet to the point. That's what we doing here. Short, sweet, and keeping it neat. You feel me? All right, man. Light up, smell good. A scent for every occasion, man. Wicked Artistry Candle Co. We out.
Wave Tech is popping.